everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update. Amanda and I started this August 19th, 2018, and we decided at that time that we were going to pan a product for every episode that ever aired of Supernatural. And yeah, this has been going on for a hot minute. We have had a bunch of other people join in, which I think is awesome. And yeah, we're doing 6 products at a time. Once we finish one of those products, we'll roll in the next episode and product and just keep going until we get through all of the seasons. And since there are going to be no more seasons and no more episodes, which I'm kind of sad about, this one actually will have an end date sometime well into the future. So let's get into where I am right now. I'm pretty sure this product was like the last remaining from season 2, even though I'm almost done at season 3, which is kind of crazy, and I actually have some stuff for season 4. This is just me, but I'm happy to say the episode Hollywood Babylon is done, and like I said, I'm pretty sure that was season 2, but it might have been the beginning of season 3, but don't quote me on it. I'm sure somebody will know and put it down in the comments, which is awesome. And I will look it up after I'm done filming. But for Hollywood Babylon, I originally wanted to get to the point where I was able to sharpen to the point of this gold line disappearing. And I had it in for over a year, which is why I think it was season 2. And I was discouraged by it because it was so much product that I had to get through, and I felt discouraged, and I kind of was putting it on the back burner because I just didn't want to think about that daunting task of trying to finish up that much product. So a few months ago, I decided that I was going to switch my goal to 20 uses. I have officially hit 20 uses on this. That doesn't even count like the year that I worked on it prior to this. I just, you know, it is what it is. And if you want to know how I got that line, that's how, like, the product was, the point was at the top of the cap, and then I put the line below it. So that was a lot of product to get through for an eyeliner in a project that is 15 seasons long. Good grief, what was I thinking? So yeah, I have hit that goal. I am happy. I will be rolling that out, and I will be rolling in a new product for a new episode, which I will get to at the end. So I'm just going to go in the order of the episodes. The next one is a very Supernatural Christmas, another 20-use product. This is Holiday Jingle. I believe it's CleanColor. And this was new when I brought it in. I'm about down to here, and I've only used it 13 times. I still have 7 more uses on this. It is not an easy color to work with other things. I think if it was maybe not this crazy color, which I do like the color, but it's not something I want to wear on a regular basis. And I'll tell you, it is a pain, an absolute pain to get off. So we will see how it goes, but that one is continuing on. But I only have 7 more uses to get that done. It's going to take me easily 2 to 3 months on that because it's not something I'm going to wear on the daily. All right, moving on to Mystery Spot. That episode it's kind of like Groundhog Day. For me, Groundhog Day is products that I have like over and over and over again, but with Groundhog Day, you actually get like little changes, and as you learn things, and then, you know, you wake up the next day, you remember what you had done the day before. So that's kind of like what this lip balm is. I have so many lip balms, and yeah, I don't think I've used it since the last update because, pardon me, I'm working on so many lip balms right now, and I really want to melt that down. I hate potted lip balms. Potted lip products in general are not my favorite, so that is just going to have to wait for right now. Moving on to another one that I've only used once and I can't make a new line on. Time is on my side. It's a doctor that's obsessed with eternal life and youth and stuff like that. So I have this anti-aging product, Exuviance Age Reverse. It's a hand rejuvenating peel. I've only used it once since the last time. It's going to take a while. It is going to take a while. Moving on to No Rest for the Wicked. I have No Rest for the Vivid from ColourPop. It is a Jelly Matte Shadow, which I absolutely adore. I've used it 5 times, and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. I do need to get more usage on this, but I am using it and I'm loving it. It's just not one of those colors that you want to use every single day, kind of like the nail polish. These are not things that I'm going to wear every single day. All right, moving on to when I started season 4. This was Lazarus Rising. I chose the Exuviance Skin Rise Morning Glow, the whole Rising Skin Rise. You know, that's what I went with. These are like a toner pad. And I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I feel like, let me do this. There's one stuck in the bottom, but you can see there's not a lot of pads left in there. I do believe this is going to be done by the next update. The reason it's not done yet is because I have to pick and choose whether I'm going to use these toner pads or the Cicapair, the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. These don't play nice together, and so I'm trying to use both, but I can't use them together. So I do believe this one is going to be done next time, which will be awesome because then I could roll in something else. And, you know, I don't know that I will have anything else done by then because I picked some hard products and lofty goals. So, you know. All right, so that is everything that is rolling over and finished up. I need to go on to the next episode, which is Are You There, God? It's Me, Dean Winchester. If you're a girl and you're watching this and you are not super young, you probably remember the book Are You There, God? It's Me, Margaret, about a girl coming of age and stuff. If you have read that book or you know what I'm talking about, put it down in the comments. I'm just curious if I'm the only one that remembers that book. It was a little weird and oddly like traumatizing to me. I don't know. I just thought it was handled really weird, but a lot of moms back when I was a kid gave that to their daughters so that they didn't have to explain all of the stuff that's going on with our bodies and everything else. So if you know what I'm talking about, I would love to hear your experience down in the comments. But anywho, so Are You There, God? It's Me, Dean Winchester. This was an odd episode, kind of like the book was odd. In this book, there are a lot of hunters that they were unable to save from being killed, or the hunters went missing and they become witnesses. And this whole thing happened, and it was to break one of the 66 seals that brought Satan back and brought Lilith out. If you are familiar with this show, you know what I'm talking about. So going on the fact that this was to break one of the 66 seals, I chose a product that I have to break a seal on because I was struggling to find a product to fit, because this is a hard topic to, you know, that it doesn't really match makeup. There's a lot of, you know, good versus evil, doom and gloom and that kind of stuff. And there's a lot of camp too, but, so yeah, this was a little hard for me. So it has the seal on it. Hopefully, there you go. Yep, I'm going to have to break the seal, and I chose that. I'm going to break the seal right now just for you guys. So if Lilith comes out and, you know, it's my fault, I apologize. So that was why I chose that product. I do think, given the fact that this, I'm like looking in the light, it's really not that full. It's only about halfway. I could potentially have this one done by the next update, which would be really awesome. If I could have 2 products done and roll in the next 2 episodes, I would be so happy, because I kind of feel like this project gets a little stagnant because I had picked some hard stuff for a while, and I'm still trying to finish off those goals, those hard goals, and I'm trying to find some easier goals for myself so I can keep this thing going. But if you want to join in, if you love Supernatural and you want to join in and you love panning and all that, by all means, we would love to have you join in. Let me know in the comments if you're going to join in. And if I remember, I do believe I have a sign-up sheet or a playlist or something where everyone that's joined in, I will have them listed down below. Whew. My brain is fried. So I'm going to go And let me know if you read that book. I'm kind of curious who else, I'm sure it's probably all my generation, is familiar with that book. Just put it down there for me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.